Your text doesn't need to look like this. In this video, you'll learn how to change text color in OpenOffice Writer. No advanced tools, no confusing settings, just the exact button that does it. First, select the text you want to change. Click and drag across it. If nothing is selected, OpenOffice won't change anything. Quick heads up. If you want simple OpenOffice templates and short guides, check the resources linked below. They're there if you want them. Now let's keep going. Look at the toolbar at the top. Find the letter A with a colored line underneath it. That's the text color tool. Click the button once to apply the last color used. Or click the small arrow next to it to pick a different color from the list. If nothing changes, double check two things. Make sure your text is highlighted. And make sure you're not clicking page styles. And that's it. That's how you change text color in OpenOffice Writer. Simple once you know where to look. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. More OpenOffice basics coming up, so you don't have to fight the software.